Hello all, welcome back to our channel Swati@Maths. In previous section, we have evaluated the integrals by using the standard results directly. So these are the various functions which cannot be integrated by the direct use of standard results discussed earlier. So in such cases, we use some special methods of integration for finding the integrals. So those methods are, let us discuss one by one. First method comes as integration by substitution. Integration by using substitution. So our second method is integration by using partial fractions. So our second method is integration by using partial fractions. Now the third method is integration by parts. So now let us focus on our first method, integration by using substitution. Now let us begin our first method, that is integration by using substitution. So this method consists in changing of variable which is in integration to another variable by a substitution. That substitution must be suitable substitution so that the given integral transforms into known standard integral. So the operation of integration and differentiation being inverse of each other, the rules for integrating the sums, products and the functions of functions are more or less similar to those used in differential calculus. So these three methods can be called as methods of integration. And in this integration by substitution method, or we can call it as change of variable method. Change of variable method. We can call integration by substitution or change of variable method. So here this method consists variable forms. So in this method we will having total 6 forms. So those 6 forms are, first form is integration of f of ax plus b into dx form. Our second form is integration of f of x power n into x power n minus 1 into dx. Now our third form is integration of f of g of x into g dash of x dx. Now fourth form is f of x whole power n, f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. Our fifth form is integration of f dash of x by f of x into dx. Now our last form is sixth form, which is integration of sine power mx into cos power nx dx, or integration of tan power mx into sec power nx dx. So these 6 forms of integrals combine to form our exercise 1.2. So here in your exercise 1.2 of 3rd semester diploma applied engineering mathematics textbook, you will be having 2 exercises under first unit, that is indefinite integration 1. So in those first unit indefinite integration 1, you will be having 2 exercises, which is exercise 1.1 and exercise 1.2. So in exercise 1.1 we have discussed standard results based questions. In exercise 1.2 you will be having 6 forms of integrals. These 6 forms of integrals combine together to form our exercise 1.2. Now let us discuss one by one. Now I will start with our first form, integration of f of ax plus b into dx. So here our first form is integration of f of ax plus b into dx. So the working rule for this integral of the form integration of f of ax plus b into dx, where integration of f of x dx is in a standard form. First of all, we have to put ax plus b is equal to another variable t, because the name itself is saying it is change of variable method. So we have to change the variable of integration from x to t. So here I have considered ax plus b is equal to another variable t. Now after considering ax plus b equal to t, then we have to differentiate both sides. So differentiate both sides. So differentiation of a into x will become a into 1, because differentiation of x is 1. So a into 1. We will not differentiate a because a is a constant, plus differentiation of b is 0 because b is a constant, is equal to dt by dx. Therefore dt by dx is equal to a. Now we have to substitute in our question f of integration of f of ax plus b into dx will become integration of f of t dt into a, because a into dx will become dt. Here from this dt is equal to a into dx, implies dt by a is equal to dx. Therefore it will become dt by a. Therefore 1 by a integration of f of t dt is in the standard form. So here this is a standard integral which can be evaluated now very easily by using our standard results. Now let us discuss some exercise problems on this integral form. Here I have taken 2 problems which are looking very similar here. Here our first question is integration of 3x plus 5 whole power 4 into dx, which is of the form integration of x power n into dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 in plus c. So here for these 2 questions we have to use only one standard result, which is integration of x power n into dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So by using the working rule we have discussed earlier, we have to take 3x plus 5 as t. Let 3x plus 5 is equal to t. After considering 3x plus 5 is equal to t, then we have to differentiate both sides. So 3 into differentiation of x is 1 plus 5 differentiation is 0 is equal to dt by dx. Therefore, dt by dx is equal to 3. dt by 3 is equal to dx. On cross multiplying, you will get dt by 3 is equal to dx. Now we have to go for question integration of 3x plus 5 whole power 4 into dx will become integration of t power 4 into, we have to substitute dx with dt by 3. dt by 3. Therefore, it will become 1 by 3 integration of t power 4 dt. Now it is in the standard form of integration, that is integration of x power n into dx, where the variable of integration is in t. Therefore, 1 by 3 t power 4 can be written as t power 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1, which is equal to 1 by 3 into t power 5 by 5 plus c. So it will become t power 5 by 3 into 5 is 15 plus c, which is our final answer for the given question. Similarly, we can solve this question also by using same process. Let us consider 7x minus 6 is equal to t. So put 7x minus 6 is equal to t. So after considering 7x minus 6 is equal to t, then we have to differentiate both sides. So integration of 7x will become 7 into 1 minus 0 is equal to dt by dx. Therefore, 7 is equal to dt by dx. Therefore, dx is equal to dt by 7. Then we have to substitute this dx is equal to dt by 7 in our question. So how integration of 7x minus 6 whole power 5 into dx will become integration of t power 5 into dt by 7. So in place of 7x minus 6 we have taken t, and in place of dx we have taken dt by 7. Now we should write 1 by 7 outside because it is a constant. So 1 by 7 integration of t power 5 dt. 1 by 7 into t power 5 integration we have already known, t power 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 plus c. So 1 by 7 into t power 6 by 6 plus c. So t power 6 by 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42 plus c. So this is our final answer for the given two questions. Now let us see some more questions. So here we are having 1 by 2x plus 1 whole power 5. So the power 5 is in denominator. First of all, we have to bring that power 5 to the numerator. If we bring any power in the denominator to the numerator, then we should put minus sign. So it will become integration of 2x plus y whole power minus 5 into dx. Then we should solve the problem by considering 2x plus 1 is equal to t. So put 2x plus 1 is equal to t. After taking 2x plus 1 equal to t, then we have to differentiate both sides. So the differentiation of 2x will become 2 into 1 plus differentiation of 1 is 0 is equal to differentiation of t is dt by dx. Therefore, 2 is equal to dt by dx. dx is equal to dt by 2. Therefore, we have to substitute these two substitutions in our given question. Integration of 2x plus 1 we have considered it as t minus 5. So t power minus 5 into dx as dt by 2. Therefore, 1 by 2 integration of t power minus 5 into dt. So this is one of the standard result. We should write it as 1 by 2 into t power minus 5 plus 1 by minus 5 plus 1. So it will become minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. Minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. Therefore 1 by minus 8 into t power minus 4 plus c. So this is our final result for the given question. Now I have taken one more question, that is integration of 1 by 5x plus 7 into dx. So here also we have to put 5x plus 7 as t. Put 5x plus 7 is equal to t. After taking 5x plus 7 equal to t, then we have to differentiate both sides. So differentiation of 5x is 5 into 1 plus differentiation of 7 is 0. Differentiation of t is dt by dx. Therefore 5 into 1, 5 is equal to dt by dx. Therefore dx is equal to dt by 5. Then we have to substitute in our equation. So it will become integration of 1 by 5x plus 7 as t into dx as dt by 5. Therefore it will become 1 by 5 integration of 1 by t dt. So here it is one of the standard result, which is integration of 1 by x dx is equal to log x. Now we have to use this result. Integration of 1 by t dt is 1 by 5 into log t plus c. So here 1 by 5 into log of, whereas t is 5x plus 7 plus c. So here in previous question also we have to substitute that t. So here also t power 5 will become 3x plus 5 is equal to t. Therefore 3x plus 5 whole power 5 by 15 plus c. Similarly here also 7x minus 6 whole power 6 by 42 plus c. Now let us solve one more question. Integration of 1 by under root 4 minus 6x into dx. So here we have to bring numerator to denominator to get the power. So it will become 4 minus 6x power minus 1 by 2 into dx. Square root can also be written as power 1 by 2. Since the power is in denominator, if we write that power in numerator, then it will become minus sign. Now next we have to consider 4 minus 6x is equal to t. So put 4 minus 6x is equal to t. So the differentiation of 4 will become 0 minus 6 into differentiation of x is 1, which is equal to dt by dx. Therefore dx is equal to dt by minus 6. Now we have to substitute in our question. Integration of t power minus 1 by 2 into dt by minus 6. So here minus 1 by 6 integration of t power 1 by 2 into dt. So here t power minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6 into, here we have to use one standard result, integration of x power n into dx. So here t power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So 1 minus half will become half. Therefore minus 1 by 6 into t power half by half plus c minus 1 by 6 into, so denominator half will become 2 in numerator into t power half can also be written as root t plus c. So we can cancel 2 ones are 2 3s are. So it will become minus 1 by 3 into root t. T we have taken 4 minus 6x. So substitute that 4 minus 6x plus c. So this is our final result for the given question. So our next question is integration of 3 power 2x plus 1 into dx. So this can be solved by writing it as 3 power 2x into 3 power 1 into dx. Here we have used bases are equal, power should be added. So 3 power 2x into 3 power 1 can also be written as 3 power 2x plus 1 into dx. Now we should write 3 outside. So 3 into integration of 3 power 2x dx. Then we have to take 2x as t. Put 2x is equal to t. Then we have to differentiate 2 into 1 is equal to dt by dx, because differentiation of x is 1. Therefore dx will become dt by 2. Now substitute in our equation 3 into integration of 3 power t. So here 3 power 2x is there. So here in place of 2x we have taken t, into in place of dx I have to put dt by 2. So we have to write 2 outside. So it will become 3 by 2. 3 by 2 integration of 3 power t dt, which is equal to 3 by 2 into. So this is one of the standard result, which is integration of a power x. Integration of a power x will become a power x into log a. So 3 power t into log 3, which is equal to 3 by 2 into 3 power 2x log 3. Now we have to substitute back what is t here. So here we have taken t as 2x. So it will become 3 by 2 into 3 power 2x into log 3. So which is our final answer for the given question. Now the next problem is integration of sine 3 minus 4x. So here also we have to consider 3 minus 4x as t. So put 3 minus 4x is equal to t. Then after we have to differentiate both sides. Differentiation of 3 is 0 minus differentiation of x is 1 is equal to differentiation of t is dt by dx. So it will become minus 4 is equal to dt by dx. Now dx is equal to dt by minus 4. Then after we have to substitute in our equation integration of sine t into, so here we will be having dx. So sine t into, we have to replace dx with dt by minus 4. Therefore minus 1 by 4 into integration of sine t dt. Therefore minus 1 by 4 into integration of sine t is already we have known minus cos t plus c. So minus into minus will become plus. So cos t by 4 plus c. Again we have to replace t with 3 minus 4x after getting the answer. Cos of 3 minus 4x by 4 plus c, which is our final answer. Similarly we can solve this question. Let 3x minus 1 is equal to t. Then after we have to differentiate both sides. 3 into differentiation of x is 1 minus differentiation of 1 is 0, and the differentiation of t is dt by dx. Therefore 3 is equal to dt by dx. Similarly dx is equal to dt by 3. By cross multiplying you will get dx equal to dt by 3. Then after we have to substitute in our equation integration of sec square t into dt by 3. So we have to write 1 by 3 outside. So 1 by 3 integration of sec square t dt. Therefore 1 by 3 into integration of sec square x is tan x. Therefore tan t plus c. Therefore 1 by 3 into tan of, Again we have to replace t with 3x minus 1 plus c. So this is our final answer. Now let us do one more question, integration of sine square 3x dx. So the given question is in the form of sine square theta. We know that sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So here we have to substitute this formula in the given question. So it will become integration of 1 minus cos 2 into, in place of theta we are having 3x. So 3x by 2 dx. So it will become integration of 1 minus cos 2 3s are 6x by 2 dx. So here we have to write 1 by 2 outside. So 1 by 2 integration of 1 minus cos 6x dx. So here 1 by 2 into integration of 1 is x minus integration of cos x. It is in the form of cos x. We know that integration of cos x is sin x. So sin 6x divided by 6 plus c. Now the next question is integration of cos square 4x into dx. So the given question is of the form cos square theta, but we know that cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So here we have to substitute in our question 1 plus cos 2 into, in place of theta we are having 4x by 2 dx. So it will become integration of 1 plus cos 8x by 2 into dx. So here we have to write 1 by 2 outside. It will become integration of 1 plus cos 8x into dx. So here 1 by 2 into integration of 1 will become x plus integration of cos 8x is of the form cos x. We know that the integration of cos x is minus, no, sin x only. So sin 8x by 8 plus c, which is our final answer. Similarly, we can solve sin cube x into dx. We know that sin 3a formula. So we have to use sin 3a formula to solve the given question, integration of sin cube x. So what is sin 3a formula? 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. 3 sin a minus 4 into sin cube a. From this we can write 4 sin cube a to left side and sin 3a to right side. It will become 4 sin cube a is equal to 3 sin a minus sin 3a. Therefore, from this we can write sin cube a as 3 sin a minus sin 3a by 4. So here we have to use this formula to solve the given question. Replace sin cube x with integration of 3 sin x minus sin 3x by 4 into dx. So it is 1 by 4 into integration of 3 sin x dx minus integration of sin 3x dx. Here we have used linearity property in order to separate these two terms. Now the answer for the given question will become 1 by 4 into 3 into integration of sin x is minus cos x minus integration of sin 3x is of the form sin x. So it will become minus cos 3x. So here minus is there. So minus into minus will become plus. cos 3x by 3 plus c. So this is our final answer for the given question. Similarly, we can solve cos cube x in the above process. So for cos cube x, we have to take cos 3a. Cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. So here we have to bring this 3 cos a to left side. It will become 4 cos cube a is equal to cos 3a minus plus 3 cos a. Cos 3a plus 3 cos a. Then we can write cos cube a as cos 3a plus 3 cos a divided by 4. Now we have to use this formula in order to solve cos cube x. So here I am writing 1 by 4 into cos 3x plus 3 cos x dx. So integration 1 by 4 we have to write it as outside. So integration of cos 3x dx plus 3 into integration of cos x dx. Now we know the integration of cos x as sin x. So substitute here 1 by 4 into cos 3x is of the form cos x. So we can write sin 3x by 3 plus 3 into sin x plus c. So this is our final answer for the given question. Now our next question is integration of 1 by under root x plus 1 plus under root x plus 2 into dx. So this problem can be solved by using rationalizing the denominator process. So the rationalizing factor of the denominator root x plus 1 plus root x plus 2 is root x plus 1 minus root x plus 2. So in the middle we have to replace plus with minus. So here the rationalizing denominator So the rationalizing factor of root x plus 1 plus root x plus 2 is root x plus 1 minus root x plus 2 by root x plus 1 minus root x plus 2 into dx. So in the middle only we have to replace plus with minus in order to rationalize the denominator. And now multiply numerator and denominator. So root x plus 1 minus root x plus 2 divided by, now the denominator is of the form a plus b into a minus b, which can also be written as a square minus b square. A square minus b square into dx. Now the square root will get cancelled, square root will get cancelled. So it will become root x plus 1 minus root x plus 2 divided by x plus 1. So here the remaining is x plus 1 here, minus into x is minus x, minus into 2 is minus 2. So plus x minus x will get cancelled. Now it will become under root x plus 1 minus under root x plus 2 divided by minus 1, because 1 minus 2 will become minus 1 here into dx. Now we can write it as under root x plus 2 minus under root x plus 1 into dx. Now the given question has simplified. Then we have to use integration formulas. That is, integration of root x is dx is x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. So similarly x power x plus 2 power 1 by 2 plus 1 become 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus x plus 1 into 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Now our next question is integration of sine root x by root x into dx. So here we have to consider root x as t. So put root x is equal to t. Now we have to differentiate both sides. So the differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x is equal to dt by dx. So here in the question we are having only 1 by root x into dx. So we have to consider 1 by root x into dx, which is equal to dt into 2. So we have to cross multiply 2 to dt and 1 into dx. So 1 into dx by root x is equal to dt by dt into 2. Now we have to substitute in our question integration of sine root x can be written as t because we have considered root x as t. So sine t into dx by root x as dt into 2. So 2 dt. We have to write 2 outside. So 2 into integration of sine t dt. So 2 into integration of sine x is minus cos x. So minus cos t plus c. So minus 2 cos t plus c. Then after we have to replace t with x root x. So minus 2 cos root x plus c. So which is our final answer for the given question. Now let us consider one more question. Integration of e power root x by 2 root x dx. So here also we have to put root x as t. So put root x is equal to t. Then after we have to differentiate root x. So differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x is equal to dt by dx. Therefore the given question will become integration of e power t into dx by 2 root x will become dt. Therefore e power x integration is e power x only. Then after we have to replace t with root x plus c. Now the next question is integration of e power sine inverse x by under root of 1 minus x square into dx. So in this question we have to consider sine inverse x as t. So put sine inverse x is equal to t. After taking sine inverse x equal to t, then we have to differentiate both sides. So the differentiation of sine inverse x is 1 by under root of 1 minus x square is equal to dt by dx. Therefore 1 by under root of 1 minus x square into dx is equal to dt. This will get after cross multiplying dx with 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. Then after we have to substitute in our question integration of e power t into dt. In place of sine inverse x we have considering t, and in place of dx by under root of 1 minus x square we are writing dt. Therefore it is of the form integration of e power t dt, which is equal to e power t plus c, which is equal to e power. We have taken sine inverse x as t, so replace it with sine inverse x plus c. This is our final answer. Similarly we can solve this question also. We have to consider tan inverse x is equal to t. Put tan inverse x is equal to t. Then after we have to differentiate both sides. Integration of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is equal to dt. Therefore integration of e power t dt is equal to e power t plus c, because integration of e power x is again e power x. Similarly, integration of e power t is again e power t plus c. Then after we have to replace t with tan inverse x plus c. So which is our final answer for the given question. Similarly, we can take one more question. Integration of cos of tan inverse x by 1 plus x square into dx. So here also we have to put tan inverse x is equal to t. Then we have to differentiate both sides. It will get 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is equal to dt, because differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Then after we have to substitute in our equation cos of t dt, because tan inverse x we should write it as t, dx by 1 plus x square we should write it as dt. So integration of cos t is sin t plus c. Then after we have to replace t with tan inverse x, so it will become sin of tan inverse x plus c, which is our final solution for the given question. Similarly, we can take one more question as integration of e power So here we have given integration of cosec square 4 minus 7x. So here also we have to put 4 minus 7x is equal to t. So integration of 4 will become 0 and integration of differentiation of 4 will become 0 and differentiation of 7x will become 7 into 1 is equal to dt by dx. Therefore dx is equal to dt by minus 7. So here we have to substitute in our question cosec square t into dt by minus 7. So we have to replace 4 minus 7x as t and dx as dt by minus 7. So here we have to write 1 by 7 minus 1 by 7 outside. So integration of cosec square t dt. We know that integration of cosec square x is minus cot x. So 1 by 7 into minus cot t plus c. So here minus into minus will become plus. Cot t is 4 minus 7x plus c. Again we have to replace t with 4 minus 7x. Now let us discuss one last question in this integral form, which is integration of sine power 4x into dx. So this can be solved by considering sine power 4 as sine square x whole square into dx. But we know that sine square x as 1 minus cos 2x by 2 whole square into dx, because sine square x is 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Now it is in the form of a minus b whole square. So here 2 square will become 4. So we should write 1 by 4 outside. So now a minus b whole square formula is a square is 1 square minus 2 into a is 1, b is cos 2x plus b square is cos square 2x into dx. So here it will become 1 by 4 into integration of 1 minus 2 cos 2x plus again cos square theta. Again cos square theta formula is 1 plus cos 2 into 2x by 2, because cos square x formula is 1 plus cos 2x. So in place of x you are having 2x. So 2 into 2x will become 4x dx. Again we have to take 2 as LCM. So it will become 2 ones are 2 minus 2 twos are 4 cos 2x plus 1 plus cos 4x divided by 2. Here we have taken 2 as LCM. Now it will become 4 2s are 8. So 1 by 8 integration of 2 plus 1 become 3 minus 4 cos 2x plus cos 4x into dx. Now we have to do the integration separately. So integration of 3 will become 3x minus 4 into integration of cos x will become sin x. So it will become sin 2x by 2 plus integration of again cos 4x is sin 4x by 4 plus c. So it will become 1 by 8 into 3x, 2 ones are 2 2s are will get cancelled, minus 2 sin 2x plus sin 4x by 4 plus c. So this is our final answer for the given question. So up to now we have discussed only the first form of integral, which is integration of f of ax plus b into dx, and all the problems related to our first form of integral. Now in the next class we will continue this form only. After completion of this form, then we shall move on to our next form. So up to now you have to do your homework at your home. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the next class. So thank you all.